Today we're going to remove the headlight assembly on a 2005 Mercury Montego. Removing the headlight assembly makes it easy to access the high beams, low beams, turn signal, and marker lamp. We'll start by removing the front bumper. The front bumper is held on by a number of different fasteners including screws, bolts, and plastic rivets. The top has 2 rivets and 2 bolts. The wheel wells have 2 Phillips head screws each, and underneath you will find 5 bolts holding the bumper to the engine splash guard. Once all 13 fasteners are removed, pull the sides of the bumper out from the wheel wells. Then you can pull the bumper off from the front of the car. Don't go far, the fog light wires are still plugged in. Do not attempt to remove the headlight from the headlight bracket. It is actually easier to remove the headlight with the bracket attached. In addition to the fasteners up top, you will have to remove 2 headlight bracket bolts from each headlight as well. You are almost ready to remove the headlight, but first, make sure you disconnect the battery. This is especially important on vehicles that have HID equipped systems like this one. Finally, pull up on the top fastener tabs and pull outward. You now have access to the rear of the headlight housing and can change any bulb within it with ease. In this example, I upgraded the marker lamps to LEDs. If you'd like to know more about automotive lighting or cars in general, check out some more videos on the Car Simplified channel.